This is you, homeboy.
Got a lot of stuff in it. My God, man. You do amazing work, bro.
All right. Let me get my earplug.
I'm excited, man. We want to make you.
So what you gonna cook on the big Jonathan? What you gonna get down?
Turkey's a start, man.
Some turkey.
Turkey's a start, my boy.
Woo!
Turkey's a start, and then maybe some briskets, you know. Some good stuff. Gotta season it first.
All right, big Jonathan. Okay, all right. So Jonathan, what you gonna cook on it, homie?
Chicken, ribs, brisket.
What?
All the above, my man.
Hold it right here.
Hold it?
Yeah. Just hold it. So I can shine it.
Brisket. Brisket.
Well, you said that 3 times already. That's all you
I got a lot
gonna
of brisket to cook, my man. Gotta be honest. Right.
All right. Now, where you from, Big Jonathan? Where you from? What city you from?
Pico Rivera.
Pico Rivera. All
No
right.
barbecue there, but
All right.
that's why the internet's there.
All right.
Excited, man.
You getting it?
We need 3 of them or just 2 of them?
Huh?
Oh, just 2 of them, man.
Yeah, just do. Is there any more room? There's no more gills.
This?
Yeah.
How many straps do you have? Just the 2?
No, we have 4.
Any more?
No, I'm trying to see.
Oh, shit.
Well, you combine your birthday with your Christmas.
Good thing comes to those who wait.
There you go, homeboy.
I wait a little bit. But it's okay.
All right.
Is it working or not? Or no?
Yeah.